In this video, we will see how you can use autofill command in Microsoft Excel to copy formulas to other cells. Back to our monthly budget example that we have been using in video series. So here at the total cells, you will see that we have different formulas that we have provided, and then the same formula is being used in each of the cells with different cell references, right? So for example, over here we have sum B4 to B8, and here we have sum C4 to C8. So it's always like it has to calculate sum for 5 cells above, right? So the formula is the same throughout, but the cell references changes. So one method is to provide the formula in each cell, or keep clicking on auto sum again and again on each cell, or you can copy Control C and then Control V for paste on each cell. Right now, the other way is to use autofill command, right? So to be able to demonstrate that, what I will do is, let's keep the first formula over here and just remove the other ones. So over here I will just remove this. So let's say we have this first sum which we have already applied for this particular month. Now if you just look closely at this highlighted cell, you will notice that there is a green notch over here, right? And if I take my mouse and hover over this particular sign, you will see that my plus sign becomes a little black, and that is the autofill command. So what I need to do is I need to left click on it and keep on selecting, and by selecting it I need to drag that towards the other cells, and as I do that, the same formula is being copied to other cells, right? And it calculates the sum for February and March as well. You need to be aware of the relative versus absolute cell references in this case. So if you want to refresh your memories, you can also go to episode 14 where we discuss this relative versus absolute cell references as well. Similarly, you can do for your row totals. Again, select this, and by dragging this down, you can copy all this formulas to the other cells. So it's a very easy way to copy, autofill the cells. So it's an easy way to use the autofill command to copy all the formulas in different cells. You can do this for your percentages, for your min, max, average, count, and all. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.